Welcome. Today we'll learn how to balance the chemical equation for potassium reacting with fluorine to form potassium fluoride. Let's start with our unbalanced equation. On the left side, we have our reactants, potassium, K, and fluorine gas, F2. On the right side, we have our product, potassium fluoride, KF. To balance a chemical equation, we need to make sure we have the same number of each type of atom on both sides. Let's start by counting potassium atoms. We have one K atom on the left and one K atom on the right, so potassium is already balanced. Now let's count fluorine atoms. On the left side, F2 means we have two fluorine atoms. But on the right side, we only have one fluorine atom in KF. To balance the fluorine atoms, we need to have two fluorine atoms on both sides. We can do this by adding a coefficient of 2 in front of KF. This means we'll have two KF molecules on the right side. But wait, now we have a new problem. By adding the coefficient of 2 in front of KF, we now have two potassium atoms on the right side, but only one on the left side. To fix this, we need to add a coefficient of 2 in front of K on the left side. Let's do one final check of our balanced equation. We now have two potassium atoms on both sides and two fluorine atoms on both sides. The equation is perfectly balanced. And that's how we balance the chemical equation for potassium reacting with fluorine gas to form potassium fluoride. Remember, the key is to make sure we have the same number of each type of atom on both sides of the equation.